Well, hello everyone. Today we are making tacos. That is right, tacos or taco salad. So first I have ground turkey. I'm gonna cut up this red onion, chop up this sweet baby butter lettuce. I got my taco blend cheese, or if you like cheese on your taco. I got some guacamole. I got that from Walmart. Pico de Mayo mix. And put this ground beef. I'm gonna add the black beans to the ground beef mixture with some garlic. Make it do what it do when it do, and add a little bit of this garlic and herb. I have a little bit in here, but yeah, Taco Tuesdays. I forgot to tell you, I did get some cilantro. Get you some fresh cilantro. So I'm gonna chop it up and put it in a ground beef mixture and top it off on the tacos. Yummy, that part. Alright, now we added our red onions and garlic and let that cook down. Now we're gonna add the ground beef. We're gonna let this get a little golden. That part. Yummy. Alright, now that we have the onions brown, smelling good with the garlic, I'm gonna add the ground beef. That part. Alright, now we have added the ground beef. I'm gonna let this cook. I'm gonna add water and the seasoning to it. It already smells delicious. Yummy. Taco Tuesdays. Alright, right now we're letting the ground beef cook. We added 2 packets of the Taco Bell seasoning. And then I added water. You gotta add water on there. And then chop it up so it like one in little crumbles. And then I'm gonna add the rest of this. I only got a little bit left, but we're gonna make it do what it do when it do. Taco Tuesdays. Yummy. Okay, so that's that. Smells delicious. So we have the onion, garlic, and taco seasoning there. I used 2 packets because I had 2 pounds of ground beef. My son likes ground beef. It's more protein than ground turkey. I usually cook a ground turkey, but he bought the ground beef, so we're making it happen. So we're gonna let this cook. I did put my shells in the air fryer, but you do want to warm up your shells. And I got the lettuce. I'm gonna chop up the lettuce. Temperature put on 350. You don't need a long time, so about 4 minutes. I like cheese on mine. He doesn't like cheese. I have sour cream too. I like sour cream. He doesn't like sour cream. So taco night, taco night, taco night. Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna add our black beans. This is good protein, you guys. So add some type of beans. If it's pinto beans, black beans, good protein in there. We got the ground beef. We got the beans. Sometimes I do cook it with rice, but today I'm not. So we got the black beans in there. I did turn the temperature down. And we're gonna let it, I'm gonna cover it so it can cook and simmer up. But so far so good. Taco night. Yummy. Let them cook some more. Smelling good. It's looking good. I did buy nachos because you can make a salad, taco salad. You can eat it without the shell. Just make it with the taco salad. With the nachos. Either way, it's good. Taco salad. Whatever way you like it. You cook it to your liking. Right. I'm going to add some cilantro in there. So I'll turn it down to a 4. Yeah. Alright, so right now I got the sweet baby butter lettuce. I like this lettuce versus the regular lettuce. Pesticide-free, herbicide-free, fungicide-free. Okay, we're gonna chop it up and make it do what it do when it do. Taco night. Alright, so I chopped this up. This is what it's looking like now. It's smelling delicious. I'm gonna chop up some cilantro and put it in this container too, because this will keep it fresh. Taco night. And these are ready. Smelling good. Got the guacamole. Chunky, I like that one. Pico de Mayo. And I got cheese. Taco night. Alright, it smells delicious, so I cut up some cilantro and put it on top. So we have the lettuce and cilantro mix, the pico de mayo, the gallo mixture, guacamole. If you like guacamole, I like the chunky, taco blend cheese, the nacho cheese. And then we have our meat mixture in here. I'm gonna turn it down. Everything's cooked very well. We have our taco shells that's in the air fryer. We're gonna make it do what it do when it do on Taco Tuesdays. I forgot you gotta get the Taco Bell hot sauce to top off your taco. Yummy. And this is not sponsored by Taco Bell. Just to let you guys know. Fire. Alright, we have our taco shells done. I put some nachos on the side. And then you're going to want to fill up your tacos. It don't matter if it's a little messy. It's on a plate. And tacos are a little bit messy and delicious at the same time. This is some good fiber. Good fiber. Protein and fiber. Okay. So, smelling good. Alright, now we're going to top it off with the lettuce and cilantro. It smells amazing. I love the way cilantro smells. I don't know why, but I do. It smells good. The lettuce smells good too. It's nice and fresh, organic. So I can tell the difference between when I buy better quality food than versus the generic. Alright, let's get some pico de mayo mixture on top of there. He doesn't like cheese. We're gonna top it off with guacamole and the hot sauce. Just spread it on top of there. It's all good. You can get whatever kind you like. They have hot, they have mild and chunky, and I believe hot. Now we're putting the hot sauce on there. Top it up. You can use mild if you like. It's all up to you. Taco Tuesdays. Knock, knock. Taco Tuesdays. I forgot the sour cream. I only got a little bit left too. So we're gonna add some sour cream on here. You don't have to, it's optional. But yummy. You can tell I've been taco night. I like sour cream on mine. My son doesn't like all this cheese. He doesn't like cheese. All this sour cream. So yeah, yummy. You just spread it on there as you please. Taco Tuesdays. Alright, I got my sour cream on, some more hot sauce. I put some guacamole on the side with some Doritos. Try this recipe. Tell me how you like it. These are the taco shells that I use. Bold nacho cheese. And you do want to warm them up. Follow the directions. Alright, this is my taco. I do like cheese on mine. Taco Tuesdays never fails. Thank me later. Taco Tuesdays, Taco Tuesdays. Tell me if you guys tried it, if you like it. I love it. I'm on my off day.